Facebook allows you to make a huge variety of settings of your advertising. One of such options is creating advertising with an offer. That means you delegate to Facebook to spread all your promo codes, one promo code to each customer. And Facebook will be reminding to those people to claim their coupon code. This type of advertising allows you to avoid dangerous group codes and to play safe. You can always limit number of coupons, and we already protected your inventory from a fraud. So don't be afraid, this technology is absolutely safe. Go to your ads manager in Facebook and choose a traffic type of ad campaign. After that, you choose in the checkbox option website. Here don't be confused by the option messenger. In this option, offer will not be available, and we will use this option messenger in the next lesson, where I will show you how to create similar advertising but with this option checked. Below, you switch the button offer, choose a Facebook page that will be linked to your advertising and click on the button create offer. Here you will see many fields. First, you write a title, then details of your offer. Below, end date of this offer. Below, you should choose option both. In this case, Facebook will remind your customers about promo codes on emails. Below, in the field online offer URL, you paste your direct URL of your messenger. Be careful, not your super URL. You have to put here the link of your chatbot in Facebook Messenger. Below, choose the option unique codes and scroll down. Here you should download a CSV template that you have to fill out with promo codes. Initially, in that CSV file, all words will be separated by commas, so you'll have to split them on columns. You can do it in Microsoft Excel. All you should do is to select the cells you want to convert, click the Text to Columns button in the Data Tools group on the Data tab, and convert text to columns using a wizard. If you do everything correctly, you will see this table. All that you have to do is to paste all your promo codes in the first column and then copy them to the second column and save the file. Here is one restriction: the number of promo codes should be more than 20. Then you go back to Facebook Ads Manager and upload your template with promo codes. Click Create and your offer is complete. We can continue setting up your advertising. Here you choose your target audience, age, gender, and language. Below you see placements. Keep in mind that advertising with offer will be shown only in the Facebook feed. Then you adjust your daily budget. Here I recommend to put not more than $10 or $15 at the beginning and run the advertising for 7 days at least, or until the promo codes are used. In the Ad Delivery drop-down menu, you should choose Link Clicks. In this case, your ad will be much cheaper. The final step in setting up your advertising is creating your ad post. In this type of advertising, you will have only one field to insert your text. Write here about your discount, about your product, and mention here that to claim that coupon code, it's required to use a Facebook Messenger. And that's it. Now you can run your advertising and everything will be working correctly. Customer will click on the ad and will see your offer with his own coupon code, and call to action, get the link of the product in his own Facebook Messenger. He will open his messenger and will receive a message with your super URL. Customer will click on this super URL and will claim his coupon code on Amazon. Seems to be complicated, but all of it works immediately and doesn't irritate customers. Even if customer will not buy your product, you will get his contact in Facebook Messenger for future communication anyway. In the next lesson, we will learn how to create the same advertising but in a slightly different way.